you know. Well, hi guys. Hi guys. I'm gonna just jump in bed. So I got bad news today about my friend Jared. Shout out to Jared, guys. Jared, my friend, was next to him in class, but incident happened. I'm not sure though. But that teacher beat him. It's assistant teacher on his knee, but then there was a mark, black marks. But I don't know. But in the comments, please help me. Justice for Jared. But please guys, just I'll give you more content on that. But please in the comments down below. Sorry. I'm also gonna say in the videos, justice for Jared. Please, I hope you win the case. I hope you win the case with that teacher, but shout out to him. But I'll give you more information and Jared. I'm still gonna send you the pic. Nah, I'm still gonna. But also something else bad happened. I don't know why I'm laughing, but wait guys, give me a break. Give me a break. Took a break. But I went to 10 subscribers. Now I have 6 subscribers. But I know it's haters, but I hope the best for you guys, but please give me more subscribers. Yeah, but yeah, hope the best for you all. But I first have to eat somebody because it's Razi, because she's irritating me. Come with me, I will beat you. See how I get you. See how I pull your cup now. See how I'm gonna pull your cup. Say leave. Hi, Vakanta. Guys, work is done. But please